Meaning of dog-tired.
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 Dog-tired. The expression dog-tired means to be extremely exhausted or fatigued, usually after a prolonged period of physical or mental exertion. The word dog is used to emphasize the degree of weariness being felt, as dogs are known for their propensity to sleep and rest. When someone is dog-tired, they typically feel drained, lethargic, and may struggle to stay awake or concentrate. It is often accompanied by a feeling of heaviness in the body and a strong desire to lie down and rest. In short, to be dog-tired is to be utterly worn out and in need of significant rest and recovery.